My name is Sam, and this is another drag race. Let's roll! Today I'm driving the new Mercedes C43 AMG. On the other side, we have the 2023 Infiniti Q50 RedSport Opel Edition. Infiniti's been in the market for a while. Shocking that they still sell them. That means that there is a market for it. New C43, of course, is new. It has a new engine. It has new interior, new exterior. Smaller engine this time. We've gotten to a 4-cylinder style. And on the other side, Infiniti, of course, has a V6 twin turbo. But it's got an old 7-speed manual automatic transmission. And today we're going to do drag racing. We're going to do roll races. We're going to do in manual mode because the Infiniti does not like automatic mode. And we'll do from a dig just to see, can the old Q50 keep up with the new C43? That's the goal. And this shifts pretty quickly. This has a proper launch control. But it's also about $35,000 more than the Infiniti. So, with that in mind, let's see how the old Infiniti is going to do against this, because we did review, or drag race as well, the old C43 versus the new C43, and it was a very interesting race. If you haven't watched it, you should watch that. So now we're bringing back the C43 to see against the Q50. Let's roll! Mr. Jim, can you hear me, sir? Good to see you back here, buddy. I thought we're never coming back here for this year, but hey, we got a C43. We got to find out how fast this thing is if people should buy it, right? That's the whole point. Do you think the old Q50 will be able to keep up with this thing?
I'd like to think so. I mean, probably not in automatic mode, but, you know, if it lets me shift, maybe I have a chance. Maybe.
Love the positivity, man. Okay, buddy, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the first roll race. We're going to keep it automatic mode. You follow me. 3, 2, 1, go. All the way to the cones. At the cones over there, we step on it. Because these people on my channel think that we actually just decide out of nowhere to step on it after the roll race. We actually have 2 cones over there where we do the roll race. We start from here, roll all the way there, and at the cones we go. You ready, sir?
Ready to go.
3, 2, 1, go. Not that, no, I'm gone. I'm in manual mode, Sport Plus all the way. I'm ready to go. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
3. So basically first, second geared all the way to the cone. 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad, the Infiniti. Not bad at all.
And are we auto shifting or manual shifting on this big race?
We're doing automatic shifting on this one. I don't know if it's going to help for you, but we can try manual the second one. It's also very violent, and this Mercedes got me hooked on this seatbelt. My God, the C43s have always been like blup blup like this, and the seatbelt, it's just so claustrophobic. My goodness.
For $30,000 more, it better be faster than this thing.
So I guess Vitaly did a great job, right? So we can tell Vitaly that he did a great job. You know what's crazy about this Mercedes, Jim? When you're in launch control mode, the seatbelt feels like it's gonna kill you, and the gears, they slam so hard from first, second, and third, like you're gonna snap your neck. Like it's got very like vicious launch control with the seatbelt mostly. It's like it's tightening so hard. I don't feel that in any other car.
Yeah, I forgot that thing has a pretty aggressive launch control, whereas this thing obviously does not. So good to see the C43 is holding nice and tight when you're launching it.
Do you want to do one in manual transmission or call it a day?
Manual shift it one more time. I don't expect a different result, Sam, especially if you're in launch control. But let's just give it a shot in manual mode.
Okay, let's do one more with manual mode for me, for you, and I'll just keep mine in what do you call it, automatic with launch control.
I wonder what the launch will be like that if you don't use the cheater mode launch control.
That's a good point. You know what? There is a way to find out. I'm just not going to use it.
Then if that's the case, I'll be in auto, so that way our transmission is the same, but you don't use launch control, and obviously I don't have it. So let's just see what the difference is. See how much of a difference the cheater mode makes.
Yeah, there's a way to do that, so I'm ready on this side. So no launch control for me, and him just the normal one. That's interesting. Okay, no launch control. Wow, that makes a difference. It's like half a car. See, launch control helps.
That's exactly what I thought. So without launch control, it's pretty much even.
Yeah, and we basically started at the same time, so I agreed. Like the launch control adds this thing so much power, and it also like hooks so much battery. It's got a vicious launch, but without the launch, it's like 2,000 RPM, it's like a little bit, and that's it. And he canceled the launch control right away because I didn't have my brake paddle all the way down. So, anyways, listen, Jim, I really appreciate. Listen, we know this. It's 30 grand more. We expect this to do better, right? But it's not a lot better in terms of delivery from a roll. Like as we saw the second roll, it's pretty close overall. But anyways, listen, I appreciate you joining us today again, man. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thanks for having me. Always a pleasure to come race with you, buddy. Thank you.
And that was it. Now, we did the launch control, no launch control, just to make it sort of fair for the Infiniti, but don't forget, you have that option here This thing revs at like 3,500 RPM with the launch control, and you can feel the thing like, this is like that about to like kill me. And then you have, of course, the sound as well, and the shift are very aggressive in this thing. Because like first and second, it feels like your head goes like that all the time. It's just not, it's not a nice shift. I don't know. It feels like the computer is working way too hard to get those shifts up. The downshifts are much smoother, but the upshifts are very violent. And it's actually the same as the C43 with the V6. I just drove that, the same thing. Anyways, that was it for today, guy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.